Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App NFT buying tutorial. First, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version. NFT buying features are only available on the most current versions, so check your app store if you're unsure. Next, open Cash App and log in. You will need to have some Bitcoin in your account because Cash App uses Bitcoin for NFT purchases. Even if the NFT is on the blockchains, if you don't have Bitcoin yet, you can buy some easily in Cash App by tapping Bitcoin tab, then selecting buy and entering the amount. Once you have Bitcoin in your account, go to the investing tab on Cash App. Here you will find a section dedicated to NFTs. Tap on that to explore available NFTs for sale. Browse through the NFT marketplace in Cash App. You can search by category, artist, or popularity. When you find an NFT you like, tap on it to see more details like price, ownership history, and description. Before buying, make sure to check the seller's credibility and NFT's authenticity. Cash App verifies many NFTs, but always do your own research to avoid scams. When you are ready to buy, tap the buy button. Cash App will ask you to confirm the payment amount, which will be deducted from your Bitcoin balance. Confirm the transaction using your PIN or biometric login. The purchase will be processed on the blockchain, and this may take a few minutes. After the purchase completes, your NFT will appear in your Cash App wallet under the NFT section. You can view, hold, or eventually resell from there. If you want to sell an NFT, go to your NFT wallet, select the NFT and tap sell. Set your asking price and wait for buyers. Remember, NFTs can be volatile investments, so only buy what you are comfortable with. Also, keep your Cash App account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and never sharing your login details. And that's a complete guide to buying NFTs using Cash App. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel and ring the bell to get notified every time we upload any kind of tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.